now you're coming, Betty. You want a peach? You want a peach? Oh, that's good. That's good. Big Red, you want a peach? Whoa, that's good, ain't it, girl? That's good. Okay, I need a peach. You want this? Hey. Yum. Yum, that's so good.
Well, get Tootie.
Oh, Louise wants a peach. Louise, hold on. Look out. Louise, do you want to try it? No? What about you? You want it? I'm going to give it to Big Red. Here. Charlie? You want that? You don't like this one. Here, Big Red. Big Red. Oh, there's a horsefly. Big Red. Here.